What's up everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to create grid collages. If you don't know what a collage is, a photo grid collage is a way to arrange your photos in a special grid frame that has a number of rows and columns. It is one type of classic photo collages. That means you can add your photos into the grid and make them into one picture. So that's what we are going to do in this video today. So for that we are going to need two libraries. One is opencv and the second is numpy. So if they are not installed on your computer, go to your command line if you're on Windows and simply type in pip install opencv-python space numpy. Hit enter and both will be installed on your computer. You can see it's saying requirement already satisfied. That's because I have already installed them on my computer. So if I close it here, and now we will begin importing these two libraries. So I'll say import cv2. That's because that's how we import opencv in Python. And I'll say import numpy as np. So these are the two libraries that we need. Next thing that we need is images. So as you can see here, I have this folder and I have these three images, but I'm only going to use two images for demonstration purposes. You can use whatever images that you like. So the next job for us will be opening up these images. So I'll create a variable img1 and set it equal to cv2.imread, because this is the method in opencv used to read images from memory. So I'll give it the path, which is images/1.jpg in my case. In your case it could be anything else. And I'll copy this line and paste it down here and change this img1 to img2 and this images/2.jpg. So I have opened up two images. You should also open two images, any images that you like. The next step will be resizing these images to similar size. So I'll come here and again say img1 equals to cv2.resize, and it will take two arguments. The first one will be the image, so I'll pass in img1, and the second one will be the tuple of new width and height. So let's say we keep it to 200, 200. So I'll again copy this and paste it down here and change this img1 to img2 and this img1 to img2. So far so good. We have done the first two steps. We have opened an image and resized those images. Next, what we need to do is we actually need to start stacking up these images. So the way we are going to do this is we are going to stack images in horizontal order first, and then take those horizontally stacked images and then stack them vertically. So in order to do that, we are going to use the numpy, and numpy has one function called np.hstack. So it's hstack method and it can be used to stack images horizontally. So let me show you how to do that. So I can say h_stack1 equals to np.hstack, and it takes in a list of arrays. As you are using opencv to open your images, they are in the form of arrays. So we can simply pass in img1 comma img2. So we are only stacking two images in horizontal form. So let's first see how this thing looks. So I can simply come here and say cv2.imshow. This is the method to show the images, and it will take the first parameter as the name of the window. Let's call it collage. And the second argument is going to be the image itself. So it is h_stack1 in our case. So then we can say cv2.wait key 0, and finally we can say cv2.destroy all windows. So if I run this program, if I give it a go, we have an error here. That's because I forgot to put a comma here. So if we run the code, let's see what we get. As you can see, we have successfully stacked two images in horizontal order. Now it's time to create one more horizontal stack and then stack those two horizontal stacks in vertical order. So let me show you how to do that. If I close it up, So we are not going to use any more images. We are going to use the same images. So what I can do here is I can copy this horizontal stack and paste it down here, and simply change this hstack 1 to hstack 2 and keep these images as they are. And down here we can create now a vertical stack from these two horizontal stacks. So I can say v underscore stack is equal to np.vstack, and it takes in a list as well, and it's going to be list of horizontal stacks. So we have h underscore stack 1 comma h underscore stack 2, as simple as this. And finally, let's change this from h underscore stack 1 to v underscore stack and run the code. You can see we have successfully created a grid collage using Python code. So you can see how simple it is to do things with Python. So I hope you learned something new from this video. Now what I want you to do is you can use the third image as well. So I can come here and say img3 is equal to cv2.imread and say images/3.jpg. This is my third image. Copy this line and paste it down here and change this to img3 and change this one to img3 as well, and add one more image here and here as well, 3. I wrote cv3, it's actually cv2 not cv3. We need to come down here and say h underscore stack 3 equals to let's just copy this thing and put it down here. And I also need to add this h underscore stack 3 in this list as well. So what I have done here is I have opened up 3 images and I have resized them, and then I'm creating one horizontal stack out of those 3 images, and then I'm creating one more horizontal stack out of those 3 images, and then the third horizontal stack out of those 3 images. Then I am joining all these horizontal stacks with a vertical stack, just like this. And if we run the code now, we should get a 3x3 grid of images. As you can see, we have successfully created a 3x3 grid of images using Python. So this is how you can stack images together using Python, and this is how you can create collages using Python. So I hope you learned something new from this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. If you like this video for whatever reason, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and it keeps me motivated for creating more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.